Hi friends, I'm Shruti. Today I'm going to share about an interesting story in Arabian Nights. And the topic is a fisherman and a genie. Once upon a time, there lived a fisherman. He was very poor and owned a hut and a boat. He has no family at all. He was living alone in a small hut, but he is living an happy life. One day, he used to go to sea and catch some fishes. But moreover the times it did not got even a single fish. Once the midday of summer he went to catch the fishes. When he was catching the fishes he thought because of his bad luck only he is not getting even a one fish. So after he is thinking that bad luck, he slept away. When he woke up in the evening, he saw in his net was sinking a jar. It was in golden color and it shining like sun. And he was really excited to see the jar. And he took the jar in his hand and opened his lid. When he opened the lid, he saw a big cloud appeared around him. And suddenly a big, huge genie appeared before him. The genie was very furious and angry with a big red eyes and huge teeth. And the genie asked, "Are really going to kill you?" said genie. And the fisherman said, "Why did you kill me? What crime did I did? What is the reason for killing me? And I just released you. Then why are you killing me? Why are you hurting me?" Like this, the fisherman started asking questions. And the genie said, "You are not having any rights to order me what to do and what not to do. So keep your mouth shut and stand still in the boat. I'm going to kill you." And the fisherman was very afraid to see the genie. And the fisherman said, "Okay, you want to kill me means you can kill, but you have to do a 3 bet whichever I'm giving you." And the genie accepted because the man was very small creature comparing with genie. So genie accepted the bet. And the fisherman said the first bet that, "Genie, you want to do whatever I'm doing, you have to do after me." Genie accepted. First, the fisherman took a small stone and threw it away. The small stone flew in the sky like a bird, and after minutes it fell down in the water. And the fisherman said, "Now what I did, you have to do the same as I did." And the genie accepted, but he took a huge stone and threw it away. When he threw the stone, suddenly it fell into the water. And the fisherman said, "See, genie, when I threw a small stone, it flew like a bird, and after a minute it came to the water. But when you threw the stone, not even a minute, it came in a second. So in the first bet, I am the winner." And the genie said, "If you want just in one bet, but 2 bets is there. So I will definitely win, and at last I will definitely kill you." And the fisherman explained about the second bet. In the second bet, the fisherman explained, "You wants to crack a egg and you wants to separate the white oil separately and the yellow." First, the fisherman started the bet. He took a small stone and cracked the egg, and he took 2 bowls. In one bowl white oil and the another bowl yellow. The genie started to do the bet. When the genie started to do the bet, he took a big stone and smashed the egg. The egg was totally smashed and mingled. The white oil and the yellow mingled. And in second bet also the fisherman won and the genie lose the bet. But genie said, in the third bet, who is really winning, they want to take a decision. If I won, I will definitely kill you. If you won, I will not kill you. You can live your life happily." And the genie accepted and asked, "What is the third bet?" The fisherman said, "I won in 2 bets, but you're telling who is winning the third bet, they want to take a decision. So I'm telling the third bet. The third bet is God created me this much small and you are like a huge monster. So you wants to become, you can change whatever you want, moreover you want. So can I ask you something? The fisherman asked. And the genie said, yes, I can change like an animal, mosquito and whatever I want I can change. Ask whatever you want as if I change. And the fisherman said, as if you said you have to change into a mosquito, then I will choose you can kill me. Then the genie started changing his shape to mosquito, and after the genie changed into mosquito, the fisherman smashed the mosquito and kept the genie into the jar, and he came to his hut. After he came into the hut, in the ground he digged up huge pit and kept the jar into a hole, and he closed the pit. And the fisherman lived a happy life with his hut, and he got married and is really living a happy life. So this is the story of a fisherman and the genie. I think you will enjoy the story and you like this story. If you like this story, hit the like button and you share to your friends, and finally don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.